Question 1. Which Indian state is the largest producer of all seeds? Option. Correct answer is B. Rajasthan. Question 2. Who was the first Indian woman to be appointed as the United Nations Civil Services? Option. Correct answer is B. Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. Question 3. Who was the first Indian to win a Pulitzer Prize? Option. Correct answer is C. Gobind Bihari Lal. Question 4. Which Indian state is known for the Tawang Monastery? Option. Correct answer is B. Arunachal Pradesh. Question 5. Who was the first Indian woman to become a judge in the International Court of Justice? Option. Correct answer is D. Dr. Neeru Chadha. Question 6. Which Indian state is famous for the Kumbh Mela? Option. Correct answer is A. Uttar Pradesh. Question 7. Who was the first Indian woman to win an Olympic bronze medal? Option. Correct answer is D. Karnam Malleshwari. Question 8. Which Indian state is the largest producer of saffron? Option. Correct answer is B. Jammu and Kashmir. Question 9. Who was the first Indian woman to become the President of India? Option. Correct answer is A. Pratibha Patil. Question 10. Which Indian state is famous for the Garba dance? Option. Correct answer is A. Gujarat. Question 11. Which Indian state is the largest producer of coconuts? Option. Correct answer is C. Karnataka. Question 12. Who was the first Indian to win an Oscar award? Option. Correct answer is A. Bhanu. Question 13. Which Indian state is known for the Onam festival? Option. Correct answer is D. Kerala. Question 14. Who was the first Indian woman to receive the Bharat Ratna Award? Option. Correct answer is A. Indira Gandhi. Question 15. Which Indian state is famous for the Ratha Yatra festival? Option. Correct answer is B. Odisha.